Hey, this is Tiffany. I am one of your guys' classmates, and I know I'm doing this like super late. Life has just been way too much. So again, for the introduction up here, my name is Tiffany Aldrich. Um, it's just my daughter and I. Um, I don't really vacation. I can't really afford to vacation, so I don't really have that. Favorite food would probably be it's called army stew. Um, Specifically in a place called Coriana. It's in Toledo, Ohio. One of my favorite restaurants. My favorite hobby. I don't know because I don't really have a lot of hobbies. Um, After I work, I play with my daughter for a little bit, get her ready for bed, and then when I'm not in school, I am excuse me. I am listening to podcasts about personal development, or I'm watching telenovelas or K dramas, or I'm listening to music. Um, so I guess you can say that that's my hobby. I've had a piano for 2 years. I still have yet to start learning how to play. So that would be on my to-do list as well. It's just having the time to dedicate a half an hour to an hour a day to try and learn that. Um, I don't have any pets. I live in an apartment that really can't have pets. Class standing, I don't know what I am anymore. I've been in college for a lot of years. Area of study is I want to be a Spanish teacher and a Spanish translator, and also an American Sign Language interpreter. That'd be really cool. After graduation, my hopes and dreams would be to make enough money to um, maybe travel the world with my daughter during summer for a week and a half. Conclusion, this is longer than 2 minutes. I do apologize. Um, I know this is also super late, so I apologize for that as well. Those are just a few things about me. I barely ever watch anything in American, like American classics, or I don't really watch things that are in English. Um, I don't know. And I'm always up to try new food and try new things with my daughter. One of these years, we're going to go to Mexico to celebrate Dia de Muertos.